Yes. Recording started. Worksheet number 4. We had to start. Was it? Are there? Who will read? Worksheet number 4, question number 1. Puskar Oja. Okay, start.
Yes.
Sheet number 4. Read the following sentences and identify the main clause and the subordinate clause in each of the sentences. She thought that she was safe there. She thought that is the subordinate sentence, and she was safe there is main clause.
Good. Any Kritir?
Yes, ma'am. The CCTV footage proved that the man had stolen the cash.
No. I wanted the first one. She thought.
She thought.
मम्मी ये हो
She
गया है.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have done worksheet
पहला
4
वाला हो गया है.
Yes, that
Ma'am,
I
we
know,
can-
but I want it once again. That's why I told Kritir to start.
She thought that she was safe there. Main clause is she thought, and the subordinate clause is she was safe there.
Yes. Understood. She thought. So this is the main action. She thought. And what is being added to this action? That she was safe there. Understood.
Ma'am, sir.
Next, who wants?
I'm Janvi.
Janvi,
Om.
okay.
The CCTV footage proved is the main clause that the man had stolen the cash. Subordinate clause.
Subordinate clause. Very nice. Next.
Ma'am, can Manvi read?
Om.
First Sahil Raja, then Manvi, then Om. First Sahil Raja, then Manvi, then Om. Okay? Start. Sahil Raja.
I think that you needed to meditate. Meditate.
I am removing Avinash from the class because his identity is not proper. Only Avinash is written. Okay. Start.
Third, I think that you need to meditate. Main clause, I think. Subordinate clause, that you need to meditate.
Yes, very good. Background noise is coming. It is Manvi's turn. Next question. Manvi, I am going to mute everyone. You will unmute yourself. Okay. Start.
Fourth, tell me how you solved this problem. Main clause, tell me. Subordinate clause, how you solved this problem.
Next.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का क्या बोली?
Can you tell who wrote the Gitanjali? Main clause.
Okay,
Who
just
wrote
a
the
minute. Just a minute. I think Sarthak asked a question. What will be main clause in question number 4? Question number 4 is, tell me how you solve this problem. So main clause is tell me, and subordinate clause is how you solved this problem. Clear? Next. Who was speaking?
Om.
Om, continue.
Can you tell who wrote the Gitanjali? Main clause. Who wrote the Gitanjali and subordinate clause? Can you tell me? Can you tell?
Ma'am, it's wrong.
मैम ये तो उल्टा बोला ना.
I think it's wrong.
Can you tell?
My main clause is can you tell, and subordinate clause is who wrote the Gitanjali.
Very
Who wrote
nice.
the
Very nice.
Gitanjali?
Who wrote the Gitanjali is subordinate clause, and can you tell is the main clause. So question, can you tell what? Always ask the question. Where are you getting the answer? Think over it and then decide which clause will be main clause and which will be subordinate. Okay. Next.
She was very hopeful is the main clause that she would win. Subordinate clause.
Yes. She was very hopeful. She was hopeful for what? That she would win. Next.
Main clause, I believe. Subordinate clause, that he is a good person.
I believe main clause. What did I believe? That he's a good person. Subordinate.
That he is some good person.
Yeah, subordinate clause. Next. Question number
They
8.
felt
They felt that they should have won the tournament. Main clause. They felt. Subordinate clause. That they should won the tournament.
Next.
Manvi दोबारा बोल दो.
Manvi. Read twice.
Ma'am, can you repeat
They
7
felt-
question?
I believe main clause. He is a good person. Subordinate clause. Question number 8. They felt main clause. They should have won the tournament. Subordinate clause. Next question number B. Sarthak,
Ma'am,
would you
can I
like-
read?
Who? Someone asked, can I read? What is the name?
Ma'am, Kritir.
Pratir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First Pratir, then Sarthak, then Pavani, Ashish, Pushkar. Ashish has not done reading work. Chitrans has also not done reading work. So first, I think I should give chance to Ashish, then to Chitrans. After that, repetition will take place. Okay. So Ashish, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Okay, then Ashish. you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
Continue.
Ma'am, question number 8.
No, question number 8 was over. We should do question number B. Rewrite the following clues. Will you start?
Read question number B. Rewrite the following clues and complete the sentence using the words given in the brackets. One example has been done. Ma'am, सिर्फ example पढ़े या second question का answer?
Second also.
First, I believe that you should succeed. Second, he will lose the college election, that is certain.
Next. Whom I said?
Ma'am,
Chitrans. Chitrans, are you there? Chitrans, are you there?
Ma'am, I can read it.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Chitrans, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then start reading. Question number 3, page number 69.
She says her uncle is unwell. She said that her uncle is unwell.
Nice. Next.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, start.
Law should punish is guilty. Law should punish whosoever is guilty.
Law should punish whosoever is guilty.
Ma'am, whosoever is guilty, law should punish.
Law should punish whosoever is guilty. It can be written in both ways. Next.
Ma'am, I can.
I don't.
Okay, one by one.
I don't know. I shall read.
I don't know I shall return. Ma'am, I don't know when I shall return.
हाँ, I don't know when I shall return. Next.
He left the office is a mystery. Why he left the office is a mystery.
Why he left the office is a mystery. Next. Who will try?
Can
Ma'am,
I,
can
ma'am?
Me
Can I?
Ma'am, can Manvi?
Ma'am, can I?
Kritir.
Kritir, I
Pragya.
think Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan has not done reading work.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
We can
Harshvardhan.
reach on time. We can reach on time is uncertain. We can reach on time. Weather is uncertain.
Someone will try.
Tell me, tell
Ma'am,
me
the-
you hurt others. Tell me why you
No,
hurt
no, 7.
others.
I want question number 7.
Ma'am, can I?
We can
Whether we
reach
can
on
reach on
time.
time is
we can
uncertain.
reach on
Ma'am,
time.
whether we can
Weather
reach
is
on
Reach on
uncertain.
time is
Yeah,
uncertain.
Whether
whether,
we can reach
Whether
on
we
time
can
is
reach on
uncertain.
time is
yeah,
Yes,
reach
ma'am.
on time is uncertain.
whether we can reach on time is uncertain. Next.
Tell me you
Tell
hurt
me
others.
you hurt
Tell me
others.
why you hurt others.
Tell me you hurt others. Tell me why
Tell
you
me why
Tell
you
me
hurt
why you
others.
hurt
Why you
others.
hurt others?
You hurt others.
why you hurt others. Next.
Whoever owns this house must be rich.
Just a minute. Let me mute everyone. And you will unmute yourself and answer. Start.
Whoever owns this house must be rich.
Whoever owns this house must be rich. Nice. Next.
I surprised to hear
I
their
surprised.
team.
1 minute. If someone starts reading, wait. I give everyone. You people are given chance. So first wait till one completes. Then you start. Start.
I
Surprised to
I
hear.
was
I surprised to hear their team had won the tournament was. I was surprised to hear that their team had won the tournament.
I was surprised to hear that their team had won the tournament. Next, we will do worksheet number 5. Who will start?
Ma'am, can I?
Anand Prakash. Anand Prasad.
number, ma'am.
ma'am.
Anand, are you listening me?
Ma'am, Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Anand, you start. What happened?
मैम मेन क्लॉज और सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज में कंफ्यूजन है. मेन क्लॉज मतलब जो कि इंडिपेंडेंटली रह सके और सबऑर्डिनेट मतलब जो डिपेंडेंट हो.
हाँ, वो ऐड करता है. It will add.
वर्कशीट 4 के ए में पूरा उल्टा हुआ है मैम इसका. मैम जो
Worksheet
डिपेंडेंट
4
है मैम
के
उसको मेन
A
क्लॉज
में.
में लिखवा दीजिए.
एक मिनट. Worksheet 4A. Let me go back to worksheet 4A. Worksheet 4 question number A. She thought. ठीक है, उसने सोचा. क्या सोचा?
हम तो ये डिपेंडेंट हो गया,
डिपेंडेंट ना
सबऑर्डिनेट
हुआ.
में चला गया.
क्या सोचा? तो क्या सोचा ये
सबऑर्डिनेट हो गया ना.
नहीं, उसने सोचा ये तो एक्शन हुआ ना. क्या सोचा ये सबऑर्डिनेट हो गया. अंडरस्टूड?
मैम तो ऐसे तो मैम दूसरे में भी एक एक्शन है ही मैम. वॉज का मैम वॉज एक्शन है दूसरे सेंटेंस में भी.
एक्शन है. देखो, वॉज तो एक्शन है, नो डाउट. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या है ना, एक्चुअली now I understood that you people need some more reading. ये बुक में उतना डीप रीडिंग तो नहीं दी हुई है. So I can start clause. Up to let me do one thing. Let me complete the chapter. If we have time today, I think we have time today to complete the chapter. So let me complete the chapter. Then I will teach you clauses, not complex sentence, only clauses from other book or without any help of book. I think that remains more easy. Because if I give you PPT, it is not going to be very helpful. That's why I have not made PPT of this chapter. So, clauses, I will teach once again. Clear? या अभी वर्कशीट इस वर्कशीट को छोड़ दूं? Should I give you people homework? ये वर्कशीट होमवर्क में दे दूं?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम होमवर्क में दे दो मैम।
Ma'am, worksheet 4.
Yes, ma'am.
No, worksheet 4 we have done.
Worksheet 5 and do yourself.
Worksheet 5 is there. Worksheet 6 is also there. And do it yourself is also there. So, just a minute. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, clauses. So your homework is worksheet number 5, 6 and do it yourself. If anyone, any doubt, you may call me personally. And generally question do not come directly.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, please repeat B2.
2.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, of worksheet 4.
She says,
4. Just a
she
minute.
says that her uncle is unwell.
Ma'am, second one, ma'am, B2.
Question number B2.
He will lose the college election is
He
certain.
will lose the college
He
election
will lose
that
the college
that-
election that is certain.
He will lose the college election, that is certain.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. I think some student want. Okay. First, let me complete from this only. We are about just worksheet number 5. We will be fast. Sumit makes friend wherever he goes. Which one is direct sentence? Main clause?
Main clause Sumit makes
friends.
friends is main
Friend,
clause.
subordinate clause
Is main
wherever
clause.
he
Whereas
goes.
he goes
He
is
goes.
subordinate clause.
Sumit makes friends. Main clause, subordinate, wherever he
He
goes.
goes.
Next, he slept early so that he could wake up early next morning.
Main clause
Slept
he slept
early.
Main clause
early.
slept
Subordinate
early. A
clause
subordinate clause
so that he could wake up
Wake up
early
early in the
next
morning.
morning. No morning.
Good. Main clause, he slept early.
Ma'am, and subordinate clause, he could wake up early the
Yes.
next morning.
So subordinate clause is giving reason behind the main clause. Main clause is he slept early. One action took place. What was the action? He slept early. And why he slept early? So that he could wake up early the next morning. So here subordinate clause is giving reason for the main clause. Isn't it? Next, if it rains, we shall go go out and enjoy.
If it rains, main clause, we shall go out
Main
to
We shall
enjoy
clause, we
go
ourselves.
shall
out
to
is
enjoy
main
Subordinate
ourselves.
clause.
clause.
If it
Subordinate
rains
clause,
to
if
enjoy
it rains.
ourselves, it's subordinate clause.
Yes, very good. If it rains, main clause. What will happen if it rains?
We shall go
We
out to
shall go
enjoy
out to
ourselves.
enjoy ourselves.
enjoy ourselves.
Go out to enjoy ourselves.
Talk to him whenever it is convenient to you.
Main clause,
Talk
talk
to
to
him.
him.
Main clause, talk
Subordinate
to
clause,
him.
Subordinate clause.
whenever
Whenever
it is
it's
convenient to
convenient
you.
to you.
Subordinate clause is
Whenever it is convenient to you.
Ma'am, subordinate clause is it is convenient to you.
Next, clean your room before you go to sleep.
Main clause, clean your room.
Clean
main
your
clause.
room
Main
Clause
clause
before
when
you
you
go
go
to
to
sleep.
before you go
subordinate
to
clause.
sleep.
Wait till the light turns green.
Wait is the main clause, whereas
Main
till the
clause.
light
Wait
turns
till is
green
the main
is the
clause
subordinate
and
clause.
subordinate clause, the light turns green.
Yeah. Here no subject is given. Wait till wait till the light turns green. So only one subject is there, and that is the light. Then how can you consider two sentences? Here you is hidden. Understood? You wait.
मैम इसमें मेन क्लॉज में वेट के साथ टिल भी लिखेंगे या सिर्फ वेट लिखेंगे?
सिर्फ वेट.
मैम टिल भी
नहीं, टिल तो फिर तुम्हारा कनेक्टर हो गया. Next, he will surely help me because he is my friend.
Main
He
clause,
will
he is
surely
my friend.
help
Subordinate
is
clause,
the
he
main
will
clause.
surely help
He is
me.
my
Because
friend
he
is
is my
subordinate
best friend
clause.
is subordinate clause.
He will surely help me. Main clause. Subordinate clause because he is my friend. Next.
Unless you work
Om,
hard, main
just a
clause,
minute.
you
Om
won't.
raised hand. Om, do you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
What? Want to answer?
मैम इस क्वेश्चन में है कि he will surely.
Yes.
मैम इस क्वेश्चन में है. मैम इस क्वेश्चन में he will surely help me because he is my friend. तो मैम इसमें मेन क्लॉज he is my friend नहीं हो सकता है.
He will help me. इसमें मेन चीज क्या है? He will help me. उसमें ऐड कर रहा है ना कि वो क्यों हेल्प करेगा? क्योंकि वो दोस्त है.
मगर ये नहीं हो सकता है he is my
मैम
friend.
मतलब
main
जो
clause हो गया.
कनेक्टर्स होगा वो हमेशा सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज में ही इंक्लूडेड होगा.
वो हमेशा सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज में ही इंक्लूडेड होगा. Unless you work hard, you won't fare well.
Unless you work hard, main clause, you won't fare well.
Unless you work
Subordinate
hard
clause.
is main clause.
Main clause is you won't fare well.
And then subordinate clause is unless you work hard.
Unless you work hard, subordinate clause.
Subordinate हो गया unless you work hard. Next, you would not buy it even if it were for free.
Main clause
I would not buy.
I would not buy
I would not buy
is
it.
main
I
clause.
would not buy
If
Subordinate
it
clause
is
even
even
if
for
it's
free,
Subordinate
subordinate
clause
clause.
if it were for free.
Very nice. Next, he visited the house while I was away.
He visited the house is the main clause, while I was away is the subordinate clause.
Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who said excuse me, ma'am?
मैम जो थर्ड क्वेश्चन है इफ इट रेन्स वी शैल गो आउट टू एंजॉय आवरसेल्व्स, तो इसमें वी शैल गो आउट टू एंजॉय आवरसेल्व्स ये मेन क्लॉज होना चाहिए ना?
Yes. And if it rains. Yes,
मैम
main
क्योंकि
clause
if it
should be, main clause should be, we shall go out and enjoy ourselves. When? If it rains. Here it should be the main clause, we should go out to enjoy ourselves.
okay ma'am.
Next, he visited the house while I was away. It was done. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
was it done or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number B. Complete the following sentences by adding suitable subordinate clause. Put this table.
Where
Should
it
I give
would
you
look
home?
beautiful.
Should I give it homework?
Wherever.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Homework.
Yes. You should try a little bit. I will be sending you answer after that. इसका आंसर भेज दूंगी मैं. And question number 6. But answer I will be sending. When should I send the answer? Or we should discuss. जो भी बोलो. बाद में डिस्कस भी कर सकते हैं, अभी भी डिस्कस कर सकते हैं.
Later.
हम सैटरडे या संडे को भेज दीजिएगा आंसर. मंडे को क्लास हो ही जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
So Monday you people want the same, or you people want something else?
Ma'am, we want something
We
else.
want something else.
And something
Could
else.
please switch over to literature once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So a little bit from clauses. We will start. Okay.
मैम लिटरेचर में तो लगता है 2 चैप्टर हो गया है, तो मैम इसमें भी 1 चैप्टर करके मैम रीडर का भी 1 यूनिट करवा दीजिए.
तो next week एक यूनिट रीडर पढ़ ले. Can
Yes,
anyone
ma'am.
send me PDF of 1 chapter from reader book?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
यूनिट 4.
Janvi.
Okay, Janvi. So it is done. Janvi will be sending. So any doubt anywhere till now? Okay, I am just going to read a sentence. This sentence is not from your book. This sentence is from other book. We will go together. Simple, compound, and complex sentence I am starting. And in the meanwhile, we will read about clauses also. A few examples I am giving. Examine the following sentences. Just listen the sentence carefully. Okay. His courage won him honor. The moon was bright and we could see our way. Night came on and rain fell heavily and we all got very wet. Next, they rested when evening came. As the boxes advanced into the ring, the people said they would not allow them to fly. As the boxes advanced into the ring, the people said they would not allow them to fly. We see that sentence 1 has only one subject and one predicate. So it will be called simple sentence. What was sentence 1? His courage won him honor. Clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One sentence, one subject, one predicate. So it is simple sentence. So simple. Which type of sentence can be considered as simple sentence, sentence having one subject and
predicate.
One
हाँ,
subject
pa-
and one
हाँ,
predicate.
predicate, or you can also say finite verb. Next, sentence 2. Sentence 2 consists of 2 parts. The moon was bright. We could see our way. These 2 parts are joined by coordinating conjunction and. Understood? Main clause. यहाँ पे both sentences are having.
The moon was bright.
The moon was bright. We could see our way. It is joined by and. So this is known as coordinating conjunction, or you can say that coordinate clause. Here we are only doing conjunction. And is, keep in mind, what is and? And is coordinating conjunction. Each part contains a subject and a predicate of its own. Each part is therefore a sentence which is a part of a larger sentence. Both can be called sentence because both are having subject and both are having predicate. And so both are the part of a larger sentence. In other words, we can say that both are clauses. Understood? If a sentence is a part of longer sentence, it is a clause. What is clause?
If sentence is a part of longer sentence.
If the sentence is a part
Having
of
one
longer
subject, sentence itself. अगर हम बोलते हैं कि if I say sentence, means it is clear one subject, one finite verb is required. One sentence, one predicate is required. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे अगर बोलते हैं if a sentence is a part of longer sentence, means the sentence is a clause.
Ma'am, please repeat that.
What I said.
Yes, ma'am.
If a sentence is a part of a longer sentence, is known as clause. Clear? दो sentences.
Yes.
Sentence यहाँ पे क्या है? The moon was bright. One sentence. We could see our way. Another sentence. And if we join the sentence, the moon was bright and we could see our way. अब इसमें देखो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. यहाँ पे इस सेंटेंस को हम लोग कंबाइन कर सकते हैं so से भी. कर सकते हैं ना? The moon was bright.
Yes, ma'am.
So we could see our way. But यहाँ पे मीनिंग दूसरा हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे वो अब रीजन बता रहा है. वो क्लॉज ऑफ रीजन, ये यहाँ पे फिर ये दूसरा चीज हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं ये दोनों इक्वल एंड से जब कंबाइन हो गया तो कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन एंड कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन है. ठीक है? और एंड से जब कंबाइन होने का मतलब है दोनों की वैल्यू इक्वल हो गई. अंडरस्टूड? Have we further noticed that each clause makes a good sense by itself? दोनों सेंटेंस तो अब एकदम सही मीनिंग बना रहा है, कोई एक दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं है. एंड अगर हटा दिए तो the moon was bright, we could see our way. Two different sentences having equal importance, having its own meaning. Hence can stand itself as a complete sense. So दोनों सेंटेंस एक गुड मीनिंग बना रहे हैं और ये लोग इंडिपेंडेंटली स्टैंड कर सकते हैं, इंडिपेंडेंटली कंप्लीट मीनिंग दे रहे हैं. Each clause is therefore independent of the other or of the same rank. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, दोनों जो क्लॉज हो गया, ये दोनों क्लॉज मेन क्लॉज कह सकते हैं या प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज कह सकते हैं. मेन क्लॉज, another name for main clause is principal clause. A sentence such
And
as,
also the coordinate clause.
हाँ, a sentence as the such as the second, which is made up of principal clauses, is called compound sentence. अब इस सेंटेंस को हम क्या कहेंगे? सिंपल सेंटेंस तो पढ़ लिए थे हम लोग. Very simple. Simple sentence is one subject, one finite verb, or you can say one subject, one predicate makes a simple sentence. Two sentences of equal rank. Two sentences having two main clauses can be considered as compound sentence.
Compound sentence.
Clear?